In today's quick tutorial, we're diving into how to add and customize the community section in LearnWorlds so you can easily set up a space where your students can connect and engage. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your platform's user experience, by the end of this video, you'll know how to make the community section work best for your needs. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your LearnWorlds dashboard. Once you're logged in, head over to the Manage Learning section, and under there, you'll see Community. Clicking on it will take you to the area where you can start customizing. Next, click on Settings. Here, you'll see options for configuring the community experience. You can choose whether you want to enable the community feature for your users, and if you do, you'll have several options to tweak it further. For instance, you can choose to make the community visible to all users or restrict it to specific groups based on the course they're enrolled in. Next thing, let's talk about customization. LearnWorlds gives you the ability to change the look and feel of your community space. You can adjust things like the color scheme, header images, and the text that appears on the page. This allows you to maintain brand consistency across your platform. It's easy to do, and this flexibility helps you make the community section reflect the overall vibe of your courses and business. The fourth thing you'll want to look at is adding discussion topics. This is where you can engage your learners. It's a simple process. Just click on the Create Topic button, add a title, and start the discussion. You can also moderate posts here, which is especially useful if you want to make sure content remains appropriate and valuable to your students. Next, let's move on to notifications. You'll want to make sure your students are getting updates about the community. LearnWorlds offers a variety of notification settings, so users can get alerts when new content is posted or when someone replies to their discussions. This helps increase engagement and ensures no one misses out on important conversations. But here's the thing, while LearnWorlds offers a solid community feature, it's not perfect for every situation. The customization options are decent, but they can be a bit restrictive if you're looking for advanced features. And if you're after something with a more polished user interface or enhanced community tools, it might not be enough to meet your needs. So, here's where we introduce an alternative that takes community building to the next level. I'll tell you more about that in just a moment. But before we get there, let me mention that LearnWorlds does offer a great free trial to explore its features. Finally, for the best gold IRA guide and consultation, don't forget to check out the link in the description. If you're someone looking for a more customizable and dynamic community section with advanced features, we've got you covered. There are some alternatives that can provide you with the extended flexibility you're looking for, and guess what? They also offer free trials. Through our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial and amazing benefits, only available to our viewers. This will give you the chance to test everything out and see what works best for your community. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your platform to the next level. Thanks for watching.